Alright, so we just departed from Dirtylife.ca and now the boys are on their way to BayMarine. Gonna try and keep the little ways behind me in the Ram, Paul in the Popo. Keith's got the Renegade at BayMarine. He's going to pick it up today. It's doing some clutch adjustments, so see if the boys can fine tune and squeeze every bit of juice out of her they can. So we'll be picking that up as well. I got to grab some ball joints, and yeah, so down the road we go. Down the road we go. Look where we are, boys. We're back. Never gets old, really. I can't help it. It just doesn't get old. Huh? Yeah.
The destination is on your left.
Sweet. Sweet. Oh, look at that. I like that.
Arrived.
Oh, yes. Yes, we have. We definitely have arrived. We've died and gone to heaven. We have arrived at BayMarine. Sweet. BayMarine truck and trailer there. Hopefully they're not moving. Hey, buddy. Good, man. Gotta love that. We's on a first name basis with everybody. And you shut up. Shut it. Shut it. That is an airbag sensor, boys. And I think it's the one up front in the grill that's needing change. I don't know. We'll get to her, man. We'll get to her. Should silence the old Ford, eh? One way or another. All right. What the hell is that? Is that a sign? Oh my God. What in hell is going on out here? That thing's got a stereo in it too?
Just a little one.
Holy crap, just a little one. I could hear it clear as day in the truck.
Is that yours?
Wow.
Yeah. It's
Wow.
sitting back here.
Yeah.
You bought it recently.
Yeah.
Big man, you get
I've still got more pieces to go on yet.
Look at it.
I was actually
Look at
looking
it.
at it. I was telling the wife, I said, there's this black
Four-seater for the family, man.
We were just out on a family ride.
That's awesome.
It's got the car seat in
Got a
there.
car.
Get out!
That's awesome, eh?
Get out!
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, boys, there's no excuses now.
No, this thing's cool as shit.
Show your wife this video. Then get your ass down to BayMarine and get yourself one.
Exactly.
Wow, look at that. I love the cargo rack. Just love these for off-road use, boys. On anything, on Jeeps, on trucks, on everything.
Cool holders you can get to go right on here, and I can strap a gun, a shovel.
You name it, fishing poles, whatever you want.
Yeah, it's,
Wow.
It's a family buggy.
Wow. Oh, it's beyond cool. Yeah, yeah, something, yep.
It'd probably do all right though with the way it sits, right?
Do some shock there, you know, get it a little higher.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool, man.
Yeah, even a couple inches would just make a major difference in a unit that size for sure.
I think so. It's fun for the whole family.
Oh my God, is it ever? Is it ever? Yeah. Even just bone stock getting out there on the trails with that, with the whole family would just be priceless.
Yeah.
Cool.
Man, is it ever? This is awesome.
So what are you putting a trailer on there for, buddy?
Well,
Yeah.
that's a good
We
question.
don't know yet.
We don't know yet.
We'll find out here shortly.
The boy said, come get the trailer, we're gonna throw something on it. This is awesome, boys. Trailer, loaded. What are we doing? Oh man, you're gonna see, you're gonna see, you're gonna see. I picked up some tools.
That's a heavy duty trailer.
Yeah, it is. She's mint. Dan got himself stickers made up.
ATV.
Yeah.
I see that.
Right there, look at that. Look at that, folks. Yeah, buddy.
They're on front of the salesman's desk too.
That's awesome.
Over here.
That's just killer. Yeah, I did. Yeah, buddy. We're one right there too. Right on, man. This is killer. Oh, I love this place.
Something's down here for you to
That's cool.
test out there.
Wow.
What do you think of that, eh?
I think that's insane. That is insane, Dan.
That should work out, right?
Oh, you guys are too much. Holy shit, I feel like it's my birthday. We get to borrow this baby for a week or two, boys. Wow.
She's
Oh, yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Hey.
Holy shit. That's crazy. That's slightly bigger than the RS1 that we just saw. This thing is nuts.
This is already a free sticker for you.
I saw that. That's killer. Oh, get out.
These are quick adjust too, eh?
You guys are nuts. I'm speechless, boys. Just the opportunity. Yeah, man, you're killing me. You're gonna have me in here buying one in no time. You guys are smart. When Ashley gets her butt on the other side of this, she might just give me the approval. Holy crap. This is wicked.
Well, you hop in, I'll open the door.
Yeah, buddy.
I don't think I need to show you anything in this. For some reason there's a green key on there. There's
Yeah,
there
okay.
for ya?
Get that on there for sure. This is nuts. Buddy. Oh, brother.
Without your seatbelt on, you'll have no power.
Yeah.
Or strapped in behind for now.
Yeah, that's all good.
It's
We're just loading
automatic,
it.
isn't it?
Loading her anyways. Oh yeah, it was too, eh? Alright, let's get rid of this thing. You ain't got a knee brake, you Dan?
Nope.
Yeah, she's Can-Am, alright. Clutches are so distinguishable on these machines. Just gonna throw on the old low. This is nuts. It's cold. Oh, can you feel those cryptids? Yes, you can. You can't quite see your wheels. This is gonna be intense. This is nuts. Yeah, it's a little tight, eh? Alright, what do we got here? Let's go to 2x. That should stop a little in the trunk. Is she gonna try? You wanna jump her? Just read. Okay. Beauty. Put that in there for the ride.
Take her down the hill.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get a little feel for her, eh? That exhaust, eh, brother? They are loud, eh? Yeah. That is loud. Yeah, I know. Oh, ain't no difference in there. Hey? Is there a horn? Your wish. You boys open? Wanna bring it in? Fucking A. Yeah, brother. Hey.
Only different stickers on it.
Yeah, just ridiculous.
You did that?
Yeah, no, they did.
Oh, that's nice.
Hey. Not nuts.
Look at this machine, dude.
Yeah, this
That's
is gonna
sick.
be exciting and fun, man.
Yeah.
A ton of fun.
You know what? Maybe I won't take a machine next weekend and I'll just go with the passenger.
That could be fun. That could be fun. This thing, yeah, it's gonna be great. This is gonna be
Although
great.
For perspective of seeing the machine, it'd be better to have two separate machines.
Yes. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
That's killer. I'm blown away.
That's it.
Just be able to rip her for a month
All I
is,
need,
is,
boys,
is
come on
just
down.
nuts.
Come on down to BayMarine.
Yeah, well, it's clear to see where you can get hooked up.
I feel like I'm cheating eating meat in here. Yeah.
Sorry, just tough being in the presence of greatness.
That's right.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
Castle down the street. It's a castle. Looks like the Bass Pro Shop.
Yeah, you're not even going to show up for the opening day because you're going to be riding.
Man,
Nah,
Tony,
How you
it's
doing?
good to finally
Yes, man,
personally
you
meet
too.
you, man.
You too, for sure.
Tony, if you guys don't know, Tony Hewitt makes the tied up paracord products, and
man.
killer job, man.
Yeah, they look sweet.
And you're pumping them out, man. You are working hard. You are really burning it.
I had to take a couple days off there. I was getting a little burnt out.
Yeah, without a doubt.
Coming home, just putting the beer in the bedroom and leaving it all in there and drinking it while I'm watching TV.
But yeah, I'm blown away at how many of those products you kick out. It's just nuts. It's nuts.
They're not too bad. I can do about 1 or 2 an hour.
Yeah.
Not too long.
Yeah,
And
that's funny. I was
it's
curious.
not too bad. Yeah.
That'd be pretty good is if you
Always.
talk to them up there and then you can actually put that in a package on some of these mud builds.
Well,
say,
they're
or
I've,
Jeep.
Yeah,
I've got
yeah.
a couple over on Matt's wall
Yeah.
over there, and they're the ones I have on my Etsy page, which
Mm-hmm.
is like gets the least amount of sales. So I'm not worried about
Mm-hmm.
if I sell one of those or whatever. But like on all my facets of social media, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter,
Yep.
my Etsy page, I'm getting phone calls, I'm getting emails.
Yep.
So the only thing that isn't working is Twitter, which I don't care. It's
Yeah.
automatic.
It
You
didn't
just
work
hit-
for me either. I
you just
tried
hit
that.
click,
I
and it
never,
goes.
you know.
And everything else is like I'm up 300% just on my Etsy page alone.
In
It's
fact,
stupid.
So you're busy with them.
Yeah. So what are you guys doing? You're playing around with some clutch settings, eh?
Yes, buddy.
Yeah, just trying to fine tune. So you're
Well,
going.
I'm just going to yank some weight out, get the RPMs up again.
Yeah.
Slap her in, bud.
Oh, you're on the top floor.
Top shelf.
Yeah. Check out that thing. Not wild. That's a cruiser. There she is. Nice and clean and serene.
I don't know what else to compare it to, so.
What the hell are you wearing there, Newman?
If you're
Oh,
playing
that's your son's.
a sport, you know exactly what.
That's Damon's. That's hilarious.
Oh, this is mine. They'll still make them. You can buy them on get them made.
Get out. That's our old high school. We all play volleyball. Hey, that's just awesome.
I know the Vikings were back in the day.
Yeah, buddy. We rocked the court.
I wasn't a Viking, I was partying.
Ah. Well, I can't thank the folks at BayMarine enough to offer me up this unit, this demo unit to rip for a few weeks. Month, he said, to keep it for a month. Wow. I'm excited. It's going to be so much fun to get the wife and kids out. Sitting in this thing. This is nuts. This is nuts. Now we are talking.
I think it's really
There. Boys got the clutches set, and just gonna bolt them in there. Button up that clutch cover, get her loaded up. Back to the shop. Yep. Oh, he even comes with a rear view mirror by it. That'll help. Sorry, he straightens right out there. Condition Wait. Wait, brother. Yeah, no kidding, eh? No kidding. You ain't kidding. So 4x. Yeah. Oh yeah. What, you want me to jump the truck, man? Tunes like that. Sweet. Oh, what a tune. Brother, what a tune. Oh, buddy. What a tune. What an entrance. Celine. Give me fire, give me double jump. Uh-oh. Yeah,
No,
I should have
right?
thought about that, eh?
Put the winch on and send it. We'll see you next weekend, man.
Man, I appreciate it. Yeah. Next weekend we get out for a rip.
Players, just leave me
Oh
hanging,
yeah,
just
no,
like
just leave me
whatever.
hanging there. Sorry
Yeah,
about
just-
that.
Right on, man.
You should have got that on video. And them old lads, the young lad, the old lad, they're over there looking for bikes, whatever. We're talking about the 1000 Renegade there, and we're talking about it back and forth.
Yeah.
And he asked me, he goes, "Oh, I've heard problems with their diffs." I said, "Ask me why my players sit in the trailer." 40 hours on it, kabang.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Oh, yeah, it was hilarious. He's like, "Really?" I'm like, "Yeah."
That's awesome. How'd you get here on that? In that?
Right down the road.
Down the road, truck tires. He's got light.
I don't, you're not out on Highway 2, but other than that, cutting the trailer park and I'm legal the whole way home.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Wow, you can show up to work in this. That's just great.
It's my car, man.
Just love it. Man, Dan, thanks a lot, eh, buddy?
No problem.
All right, we'll see you next weekend. Tony.
Make sure you guys get those
Stickers, yeah, I got some stickers for you if you need some stickers,
sure,
yeah.
you know.
Yeah. All right, buddy.
Take care.
Okay, thanks again. What?
Best bike in the whole parking lot. Trying to sell a bike here.
Oh my God, that is hilarious. Oh, Troy out there trying to sell the only used Polaris on the lot.
Are you serious?
I'm not kidding. Keith, you brought me a box of Halos. No. Yeah.
Wrong box.
Yeah.
Oh, mother.
I was just supposed to give Tony a stack of stickers. I opened it up. I'm like, Halos?
Oops, sorry.
I still have enough to do me like a week. So next weekend, if we get together, go up to Bancroft.
This thing's up, man. Why? Your spring is this kind of dumb thing you got in there. Did it almost go through the trailer?
Oh.
It's insane. It just lurch. Like when it grabs, there is no fucking I get to go ahead.
No.
It jumps a foot and a foot. That's up.
You better off putting it in neutral and pushing it. That's what you're saying.
Up to the right.
Yeah. There goes the boys in the party bus. Yeah. The lights on that thing, eh? That is quite the killer setup.
Yeah, the turbo lights are on the corner. I'm trying to
That's awesome, Dan. That is awesome. Woo!
Wow. It goes, eh?
It goes, it's gone. It's gone. Man, this place is awesome. Hey, hey, come tune your clutches at our shop. We'll get you shorted.
What do we got down there?
We did take a little cuts of the old sandpaper there to the belt.
Well, it's always a pleasure, buddy.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun, man.
It was a lot of fun.
It was a busy day. That was a busy day.
We're at Vonters.
Yeah.
We went down to
Dirty Life,
And here we are, baby.
BayMarine.
What the heck we got there?
Yeah, that's nuts.
Place is just a wonderland for the boys.
It is too, man. This is
Can't
awesome.
wait to try that out.
I can't
Stay
either.
tuned. We're gonna take
Yep.
that thing for a little rip next week.
Yeah, stay tuned. We'll pick up with some footage. Okay?
We gotta get into that bucket, so I'm gonna try that player somewhere before I leave.
All right, buddy.
Right on, boys. Cheers. Intense. Absolutely intense. We got it locked, do we? Oh yeah, laptop's in there. We do. All right, let's see how the old Ford likes towing. It's intense, man. I think we're gonna switch